So you got a business and it's ticking along, you're selling some stuff, you're making some money, but you're not possibly making as much as you'd like to have. Now I'm just going to give you a little hint. The biggest thing that you can do to have the most effect in your business is to increase your prices. Now, a lot of people will go, oh my God, I can't increase my prices or all my clients are going to leave. Well, guess what? You can actually do a spreadsheet up where you can work out, if I increase my prices by X amount, how many can I afford to lose before I've got the same amount of income? It's a really good way of looking at it and going, oh, yeah, those clients I don't really like, well, I could lose them if I increased my prices by 1% over everybody else. At the moment, there's a shortage of trades, there's a shortage of labour. I would say it's an opportunity to print money, but it's not really. And anyone who's ethical or who wants to be in business with the long term doesn't want to gouge their clients, because really every sale should be a comfortable decision that the buyer wants to purchase whatever the good or service from you at the price that you want to sell it at. And you yourself have to be comfortable with asking that price for the service that is there. One suggestion I've got for you is, if you want to increase your prices, have a look at bundling. Are there other low value services that you could add in to the service that you do for an increased price that doesn't take a lot of your time or your effort? So suggestions are things like you can give free ebooks, you can do online training courses, small value upsells of the product that you sell. So have a think about bundling, where instead of people just getting one service, they get 3 or 4, but the price for the 3 or 4 is actually slightly more than if you'd sold them individually. That works really well if you haven't got all the individual prices on your website, of course. But bundling is a really easy way to increase your prices while still making sure that your clients are getting excellent value. And at the end of the day, that's what you need to be doing, providing excellent service and excellent value for a fair price.